Hi guys, so what can you expect today? Carl and Jan out and about. Today we're going to take a look at the gardens of Hanover. Okay, so see you in a minute. Okay guys, so I'm standing here at the city end, of the garden, or the Herrenhäuser Allee, and here behind me, we are looking at a gate that was built in 1857. Okay, and if I look here at the sign, it said it was built originally by King George I after he bought the palace from, what was her name? Lady Platten-Hallemund. Bit of useless information, guys. No idea if you need this. Okay. Go. Let's take a walk and see what else we can find. Follow me. Okay. And you can't see it at the moment, but across to my right, that is the University of Hanover. Over there, but maybe we can stop and have a look. Hi guys, here, this is the University of Hanover. Okay, so if you wish to study, you've got to be quick because Jan and I are going to buy this, because this is one of the old palaces of the Hanover Gardens. Okay guys, so now we're riding along the alley in the Georgengarten. The alley itself is approximately 1 geographical mile long, which is 1.85 kilometers. Quite a nice alley. Okay guys, so where are we now? Well, now we are standing in the gardens, of the Georgian Palais, very old building, which is now used today as a museum for the works from or of Wilhelm Busch. So if you happen to be in Hanover, take a look guys. Beautiful place. Look, somebody is cycling along the pathway. So hi guys, Jan and I are taking a short break from our tour durch the Georgengarten. Now for a little bit of practice. Today we are looking at the present continuous. Okay, so examples for the present continuous. I am sitting on the grass. I am looking at the camera. Jan is filming me. Okay. If you look behind me, there is a man. Oh, wait a minute. The people are cycling past us. Okay, and if you look on the other side, I'm not quite sure. What is that person doing? Is that person filming? The person is now going. Okay, so I was going to say the ducks are swimming, but no ducks. Okay guys, so if you'd like to know more about the present continuous, then take a look at our tutorials. Okay, there's a link to our homepage, or just visit our channel.